Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. And the given statement is every irrational number is a real number. So guys, let us find out if every irrational number is a real number or not. The given statement here is every irrational number is a real number. The statement is saying that every irrational number is a real number. Now our job is to find out whether this statement is true or false. Every rational number is a real number. True or false? This is what we need to find out. If it is true, why? If it is false, why? Now guys, before answering this question, let us look into these definitions. Before answering these questions, let us look into these definitions so that it would be more clear. What exactly are real numbers, what exactly are irrational numbers. Because here the question is on 2 points, 2 things: irrational number and real number. Now guys, we very well know what is a real number, what is a irrational number, what is an irrational number. But still, to brush up our mind, I am giving here the definitions of both of these. A real numbers are the numbers that includes rational and irrational numbers. In other words, we can say that a real number is a number that can be found on a number line. That means any number can be a real number. Any number can be a real number. And those are like -3, -3, -2, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, √2, √3, √5. Any number can be on the any number on the number line is a real number. Now, what about irrational number? Irrational numbers are the numbers if it cannot be written in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. The non-terminating numbers are the irrational numbers. Guys, we very well know that what is a rational number. We very well know that what is a rational number. That means a rational number is number which is of the form p upon q. But here irrational number is a number which cannot be of the form p upon q. For examples, √2, √3, √5. These are non-terminating numbers. So hope guys we understand the definition of a real number and definition of irrational number. Now the question is asking us every irrational number is a real number. The question is asking us every irrational number is a real number. Now guys, the question is asking us here every rational number is a real number. Now what we understood from here, a real number is, I can write in other words, a real number is equal to rational number. A real number is equal to a rational number plus irrational number. From the definition, it is seen that a real number consists of all the rational numbers as well as the irrational numbers. So a real number is equal to a rational number plus irrational number. That means a real number contains irrational numbers as well as irrational numbers. The question is asking us, or the statement is, every irrational number is a real number. Yes, every irrational number is a real number. Why? Because every irrational number, any irrational number is a part of this real number. Any irrational number is a part of real number. So we can say the concluding statement that the given statement is true. The given statement is true because we need to write why it is. Because the given statement is true because every irrational number is a real number. The given statement is true because a real number, we can say, because a real number consists of both rational number as well as irrational number. Hope guys you understood this. These are very simple and very straightforward, but we need to understand the definitions or the concept. Then we can answer this question easily, and in our own words we can answer it. Whatever the way you feel appropriate in your own words you can answer. But the overall statement should be either true or false. But here we observe that our given statement is true. Guys, if you have any questions on this, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.